Russian to IT dictionary. These guys are figuring this out, and these guys are explaining. So bug is when you have an error, and feature is something new that you've just launched in the system. I mean, bug is some kind of failure, a violation, and feature is the add-on, a donut, a plus. Bug is some sort of problem, an error, and feature is kind of a twist, kind of cool new thing. Bug is when, oops, something happened here. In the development of feature is something that fixes the bug. Bug is the feature that you did not intend to have. Feature is something to expect, and then bug is what you actually got. Bug is the undocumented behavior of a software. You're debugging, writing a code, bugging, debugging, maybe it's like homage, debug, debugging, bug, debug, so removing bugs. I get it. I know what's a debug. Maybe it's like debate? Something within a system when there is a contradiction, two things fighting, disputing, leading to one consensus, but technical. It's like, for example, a person writes a script for a movie and checks it down the scenario. It's like a proofread of a scenario with the actors. And the scriptwriter is checking it with the actors, seeing how the script works. Debugging is pretty much the same, so that you check that all of the phrases in the script are coherent. You got the bug, we'll debug it. Hotfix. Fix something hot. Cherry pick. Recheck. Pick. Hotfix is something that you do quick when there's a quick update, fixing the error. The first thing, cherry pick. Cherry pick. Cherry pick. Taking a look. Confirm something. Hot fix. Something hot. Hot fixing repair works. Is it like cherry brandy? Did I guess it right? No, you did not. Something that you need to change in the code, move to a different platform. Cherry pick is a quick hot fix release to the bug that needs to be corrected right here, right now. When you have a special room for cherry picking, it's not a good thing to do, but if you need to, we have a special room to cherry pick. Task is a task. Assign the task. Sign. Give me a sign. This task. Maybe it's delegation. Assign the task. Maybe it's more of an IT and management thing. Assign the task is to assign the task to somebody. No, it's like asana, something Indian. Something related to yoga, right? Asana, dog looking downwards, something like that, right? Asana, asana is a position in yoga. Maybe you'd need to take the position in a dialogue, probably. That is a horrible phrase, Заасайнить task. The driver has failed. The drivers have failed. So if the drivers have failed, probably you need to help them. Yes, the drivers, they failed. Drivers are driving the machine, probably. Yes, drivers sometimes fail. You need to reinstall them. And for example, there could be a cash machine, a cashier in the restaurant, and people work with it. And of course, driver is a simple piece of software that controls the cashier, the machine. That's pretty straightforward. And the cashier machine can interoperate with, for example, the check printer. It's possible because the cashier machine addresses to the special piece of software that can work with this piece of hardware, which is the check printer, and that is the driver. When the driver fails, something went wrong. So here's another word, malarkey. Maybe Maybe that's something sparky. I don't know. Malarkey is something that gets into the wrong place, probably. My kid used to draw some malarkey when he was 5. He's still on that level. That's our IT team. I don't know what that means on the IT language. Some weird code, probably. Usually, we call it the code that is really, really weird. Baton. Baton. Pass the baton. Button. Push the button, right? Maybe that's the chain of processes that look like a piece of bread, for example. Baton. When there is a button, it's a button. You press it. Yes, that's the unit of measurement of complexity of the task. There is the task of 1 button, 3 buttons, 4 buttons, etc. Merge. So we take a big code and make it small, so that it occupies little space in the system. Merge, to compress, I guess. Merge. Put together something. Merge, to compress, to put together. Yeah, if you want to write a piece of code, a piece of text, then we want to connect those two pieces into something correct so that it works. We call that connection merge. And merging means connecting two pieces of code into one so that they are workable. So it is a one workable piece overall.